One day, my life changed. Something new happened to me. And I began to see the world differently. My heart started beating, and it gave a thrill to my limbs. I could have jumped out of my skin. I felt I was in heaven, and that I have to share this thing with everyone. And it's called the music. Every penny counts. Music makes you alive. For more information, please contact us.